insects are vital to the health of our environment. So, excuse me, they help pollinate our plants. So how can you make a pollinator garden? Amy Yarger, the horticulture director at the Butterfly Pavilion, is here to tell us how. Hi, Amy.
Hi, Natalie.
So what did you bring with you today?
Well, one of the things I brought is a colony of honeybees. And of course, beekeeping has become a very popular hobby, and people are very curious. And we have experts here at Butterfly Pavilion to teach you how to be a beekeeper.
So what is a pollinator garden? Why is it so important for each of us, or for many of us to have?
Well, one of the things I love about pollinator gardens is it's something that everyone can do. Even if you live in the city, even if you live in an apartment, you can make more habitat for these very important animals that without which we wouldn't have most of the foods we like, or the beautiful mountain meadows and forests that we appreciate here in Colorado. So to do a pollinator garden, the first thing you're going to know is that pollinators need flowers. Right? So that's where they get their food. Nectar and pollen come from flowers. So you're going to want to make sure you have flowers for as much of the year as possible. Does it matter what you're putting in the pollinator garden, the types of flowers that you're putting in here? Well, the way that I like to think about it is, since you do have butterflies and bees and all sorts of other pollinators visiting your garden, you're going to want to include different kinds of flowers. Native plants work best because they're well adapted for our area and well adapted for our pollinators. But you're going to want to have some different colors, like this beautiful salvia. It's purple. Some of this blanket flower, it's yellow, brings in different pollinators and provides habitat for them.
Yeah, this is such a great thing to do with your kids too, so you can teach them what the bees do, how they pollinate, what you put in your garden, and how we want them there. Even though they can be scary or sting, we just have to appreciate them and watch them and enjoy them too.
Absolutely, and there's actually some really great science projects you can do with your kids this summer in counting the butterflies and bees that you see in your garden.
Well, there you go. That's what I need to do. Sounds like a good one. Amy, thanks so much. Good to see you guys from the Butterfly Pavilion. Need to get out there with the kids this summer as well.
Awesome. Hope to see you there.
All right. Ernie and Chris, we'll go back into you.
Oh, you know, we've got the lupins back here, Chris.
Yeah, I mispronounced it. I called them lupines.
That's what I said, but John Fielder said they're lupins.
Told you how much I garden. Yeah. Well, listen,